Visual. A close-up shot of a luxurious, intricately designed cigar box being slowly opened. Inside, a single, magnificent cigar rests on a bed of silk or cedar. Ever looked at a cigar with a price tag of $500 and wondered, what on earth could possibly make it worth that much? Is it just hype, or is there something truly special hidden inside that hand-rolled masterpiece? Today, we're diving deep into the world of ultra-premium cigars to uncover the secrets behind their staggering cost. Visual slow-motion shot of a skilled artisan's hands meticulously selecting a single, flawless tobacco leaf. The leaf is a rich, oily, dark brown. It all begins with the tobacco itself. We're not talking about your average crop. The leaves used in these elite cigars come from very specific, often tiny plots of land with unique soil and microclimates, much like the world's finest vineyards. This concept is known as terroir, a specific valley in Nicaragua or a particular farm in the Dominican Republic might produce a leaf with a flavor profile that is simply impossible to replicate anywhere else on Earth. Visual. A montage of archival-style photos showing tobacco plants being shaded by cloth, followed by shots of leaves hanging to dry in a dark wooden barn. Then there's the aging process. The tobacco in a $500 cigar has often been aged for a decade or even longer. This isn't just sitting in a warehouse. It's a carefully controlled process. The leaves go through multiple stages of fermentation and curing in pilones or large piles. This meticulous process, which can take years, breaks down harsh ammonia and refines the leaf, developing incredibly complex and subtle flavors. Think of it like aging a fine wine or whiskey. Time is the most crucial and expensive ingredient. Visual. A master blender or ligador with a serious expression, carefully arranging different types of leaves on a table. He sniffs one leaf, then another, making a selection. Next is the artistry of the blend. A master blender, a true artist in their field, might experiment with dozens of combinations of these rare, aged tobaccos to create a specific experience. They are like a master chef or a perfumer balancing filler binder and wrapper leaves to achieve a perfect symphony of strength, aroma, and flavor. Some premium cigars use tobacco from up to 5 or 6 different countries in a single stick. Each leaf chosen for its unique contribution to the final profile. Visual. Extreme close-up of a torsador master roller with weathered hands, expertly rolling a cigar with precision and speed. The wrapper leaf is stretched perfectly smooth. The construction itself is a work of art. The world's best cigars are rolled by torcedores, master rollers who have often dedicated their entire lives to perfecting their craft. We're talking about the top 1% of rollers. They ensure a flawless draw, an even burn, and a construction so perfect it feels more like a sculpture than a consumer product. Their skill is in such high demand that they are compensated accordingly, adding to the final cost. Visual. A sequence showing limited edition boxes, numbered bands, and perhaps a crystal tube or other luxurious packaging. Closing parenthesis finally. There's the element of rarity and exclusivity. Many of these high-end cigars are released in extremely limited quantities. Sometimes only a few hundred boxes are made for the entire world. This scarcity is often by design, using a particularly rare crop of tobacco that will never be available again. The packaging is often as luxurious as the cigar itself, featuring ornate handcrafted wooden boxes that are collectibles in their own right. Visual slow-motion shot of the cigar being lit, the flame gently toasts the foot, and the first puff of smoke billows out. A perfect ash cone begins to form. So, is a $500 cigar worth it? It's not just about the smoke. It's about appreciating the years of agricultural expertise, the patience of the aging process, the genius of the master blender, and the unparalleled skill of the roller. It's an experience, a piece of history and craftsmanship that you can hold in your hand. For those who appreciate the absolute pinnacle of an art form, it represents a journey from a single rare seed to an unforgettable moment. It's a taste of perfection, and for some, that experience is priceless.